Hello, my name is Alice and I am an upstream specialist for Merck Life Sciences. At Merck, we are supporting researchers and manufacturers around the globe with our products, technologies and expertise on the pharmaceutical and biopharmaceutical industry. When developing or optimizing an upstream process, even the small decision can have an impact on consistency, productivity and cost. With our upstream solution, you can be right the first time. Today, we are presenting the EZMix compacted media for both catalogs and custom cell culture media. Compacted media is a result of dry powder media milled to granules, enabling next-generation media preparation. Compaction does not alter the pH, osmolarity, endpoint solubility, amino acid composition, vitamin or trace metal composition of the cell culture media. Compacted media shortens the media preparation time significantly by improving dissolution, reduces facility footprint and warehousing challenges due to its reduced volume. It ensures employee safety and reduces contamination risk due to limited dust formation and increases ease of use due to its improved flowability. If you are interested in knowing more about our compaction solution, do not hesitate to get in contact with our teams of specialists and contact us via the link in the description. Thank you for watching.